Alright, so that's the basic steps on how to use SolidWorks. Hi guys! Welcome to our new channel, Sorriduwākudu-kun. So this video is a simple tutorial on SolidWorks, and today we will going to practice basic skills regarding with the use of the software with this plate. So as you can see, this is an easy one given the dimension, so this should be a breeze. And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you can always get the latest content from our channel. Alright, let's get started! First, we need to select the top plane of the plane because we will use this as the base of the activity. Next, select the rectangle at the top right part to make a random four-sided polygon. Then we will use Smart Dimension to correct to its respective dimensions of 200 by 500 millimeters. In the both sides perpendicular to the center of the quadrilateral horizontally, create rectangles measuring 60 millimeters by 100 millimeters from the vertical part of the previous rectangle. Make sure that those newly created rectangles are 380 millimeters apart from each other. Choose the arc at the top right part to create an arc using those newly created small rectangles. After that, trim the excessive lines using the trim entities. Next, we will go to the features and select the extruded boss or base and make an extrusion with 40 millimeters from the base. We will head back to top view and select sketch to create a quadrilateral at the central bottom part of the object. Using Smart Dimension, correct the distance between the left side edge of extruded part and the left side edge of the newly sketched polygon using 150 millimeters. And the length of the sketched quadrilateral will be 200 millimeters. And the distance between the length of the two quadrilaterals is 30 millimeters. Head to Features and select Extrude Boss or Base and select the quadrilateral and extrude it by 10 millimeters. So you can click isometric view to check if we extrude it properly. Alright, so go back to the top view and make another rectangle that is parallel to the quadrilateral. Again, head to Feature, then select Extrude Boss or Base and make 210 millimeters extrusion from the base. So you can check again in isometric view if you extrude it properly. So head to Features and use chamfer, then select the edge of the right side. So input 150 millimeters on distance 1 and 15 millimeters on distance 2. So just repeat the same procedure on the left part. So you have to go to front view, then just select Boss Extrude 3, and then create a circle at the center of Boss Extrude 3. So using Smart Dimension, measure 150 millimeters from the center of the circle to the base of the entire object. Then change the radius of the circle to 100 millimeters, as well as changing the measure of 100 millimeters horizontally from the center of the circle to the edge of the upper left side of the object. So after making the correct dimension, go to Features toolbar and select the Extruded Cut. Then just select the circle to cut it from the plane. Alright, so next, change the view and make it isometric view. Then go to the Features toolbar and select Fillet to fillet the top of the horizontal rectangle. Then set the radius of the fillet to 100 millimeters. Then after that, just select the edges of the rectangle and click Check to apply the feature. Then go back to the top view and create a random quadrilateral from the base of the rectangle up to the center. So using Smart Dimension, set the dimensions of the quadrilateral to 80 millimeters by 100 millimeters. So just fix some adjustments if necessary. So then from the center of the plane, create a circle with a radius of 40 millimeters. And after that, just trim the half of the circle using power trim. So after that, just change the view to isometric view, and then go to the Features toolbar to select Extruded Cut, and select the object to be cut out from the plane, and assign the depth of the extruded cut with 30 millimeters. Alright, so that's the basic steps on how to use SolidWorks. Thanks for watching! I hope that you learned something from our video tutorials. So before we end this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you can always get the latest content from our channel. Alright, see you on our next video tutorials. Goodbye!